Welcome back to our channel. Do you feel nervous? Or do you get stage fright right before public performances or while giving speeches? Do you feel uneasy or awkward in social settings? If so, you could be experiencing social anxiety. Social anxiety is a common mental health condition. It can affect people of all ages and backgrounds. Social anxiety can cause distressing feelings and lead to avoiding certain situations. But with the right support and treatment, it's possible to overcome this condition. So today we will be discussing what social anxiety is, how to deal with it, and how to help others understand and deal with social anxiety. Let's get started. How do you deal with social anxiety? Here are 5 tips to help you cope with social anxiety. 1. Learn about social anxiety. The first step to overcoming social anxiety is learning about the condition. Understand that you're not alone and that many people experience similar feelings of nervousness and self-knowledge is power, and understanding your anxiety can help you feel more in control of the situation. You may find it helpful to talk to a trusted friend, family member, or mental health professional about your experiences and feelings. They can provide support and guidance as you work to manage your social anxiety. Additionally, there are several resources available online and in books that can help you learn more about social anxiety and coping strategies. By taking the time to learn about social anxiety, you can better understand yourself and develop effective coping mechanisms. 2. Challenge negative thoughts. Negative thoughts can fuel social anxiety, so it's important to challenge them. When you start to feel anxious in a social setting, pay attention to the thoughts running through your head. Are you focusing on potential negative outcomes? Are you overgeneralizing or assuming the worst? Once you become aware of these thoughts, challenge their validity. Is there evidence to support them, or are they just assumptions? Talk to yourself in a positive and encouraging way. Remind yourself of your strengths and previous successes. By challenging negative thoughts, you can reduce feelings of anxiety and gain a more balanced perspective. 3. Practice relaxation techniques. When you feel socially anxious, your body goes into fight or flight mode. This can cause physical symptoms like a racing heart, sweating, and difficulty breathing. To combat this, practice relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, and guided imagery. These techniques can help calm your body and mind, making it easier to manage your anxiety. You may also want to try mindfulness meditation, which can help you focus on the present moment and let go of worries about the future. With practice, you can find the relaxation technique that works best for you, and use it in social situations to ease your anxiety. For a gradual exposure. One of the most effective ways to overcome social anxiety is to gradually expose yourself to the situations that cause you distress. Start by setting small, achievable goals. For example, if you're afraid of public speaking, begin by talking to small groups of friends or family members. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually work up to larger audiences. By gradually exposing yourself to social situations, you'll build confidence and learn to manage your anxiety. You may also want to join a support group or seek professional help to develop a plan for gradual exposure. Remember to celebrate your successes along the way. Every step you take toward managing your social anxiety is a reason to be proud and 5. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to manage your social anxiety on your own, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist can help you identify negative thought patterns and behaviors that contribute to your anxiety. They can also teach you effective coping mechanisms and provide a safe space to practice social skills. There are various types of therapy that can be helpful for social anxiety, such as cognitive behavioral therapy and acceptance and commitment therapy. Additionally, medication may be an option in some cases to help alleviate symptoms of anxiety. We hope these tips are helpful for those dealing with social anxiety. Remember that overcoming social anxiety takes time and effort. But with the right mindset and support, it's possible to manage your anxiety and live a fulfilling life. How can you help someone else who has social anxiety disorder? If you have a friend or loved one who has social anxiety disorder, there are several things you can do to help them cope with their condition. First, educate yourself about social anxiety disorder so you can better understand what your friend or loved one is going through. Be patient and understanding. Remember that social anxiety is a real and challenging condition to deal with. Your friend may need extra support and encouragement in social situations. Offer to accompany them to social events and help them feel more comfortable and secure. Encourage them to seek professional help if necessary. Let them know that you're there to support them on their journey to recovery. And be supportive and non-judgmental. Avoid criticizing or mocking them for their anxieties or avoidant behaviors. Instead, focus on their strengths and accomplishments and help them see the positive aspects of themselves. By following these tips, you can be a supportive and helpful friend or loved one to someone with social anxiety disorder. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it with friends that might find insight in this too. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content. All the sources used are added in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.